Good morning. Students between the ages of 12 to 18 years ever ask me this question: which career should they choose in their life? Doctor, engineer, lawyer, chartered accountant, management, or any other? There is an enormous pressure on students to choose a different career by their parents, relatives, neighbors, and peer groups. Let me keep an example in front of you. A student tells that I am the only son of my parents and my father has a dream for me to become a doctor. Another student tells that I am the only girl child of my parents and my parents have a strong desire and ambition for me to become an engineer. Similarly, concerning the career of these two same students, their neighbors have different dreams, their relatives have some dreams, and their peer groups have yet another dreams. According to me, these dreams belong to those people only. So, students, you don't have to live your life by enforcing these dreams upon you. In fact, when we fail to achieve a goal in our life, we think that now our child will fulfill that goal. So, students, I would like to tell you your life is extremely precious, immensely valuable for yourself, your family, society, and this great country, as well as in the eyes of Heavenly God. And since your life is so precious, therefore, it must not be driven by your anxieties, your frustrations, your concerns. It must not be influenced by a thought around you. Now, I would like to suggest you, I would like to advise you, spend some time with yourself and think about what is your talent, skill, and proficiency in a particular area. What are your resources? What is your present perception and intelligence level? What is your choice about your future goal so that you can do with full of enthusiasm and complete devotion? Keeping these few questions in your mind, choose a goal of your life. Don't choose a goal just because of that your neighbors or your relatives or your friends or your siblings or your peer groups are opting that. See, if you are not completely devoted to something, you won't be able to execute your highest performance. You won't be able to reach at digi heights. Check whether it is art, music, dance, political science, science and technology, and spirituality, as well as carpenter, electrician, and any other. It doesn't matter what is it. But if you are not entirely committed to something, if you are not entirely devoted to something, you won't be able to conquer your heart's desire. Dear students, excellence comes only when you do something that truly resonate with your soul. Dear students, our life is a journey between two English alphabets, B and D. Here B stands for birth and D stands for death. Between these two English alphabets, there is an another English alphabet. It is called C, and C stands for choice. So choose the right choice. If you have the right choice, you will be filled with full of enthusiasm to attain your goal. You will move on to a bigger and better things. You will beat the clock. You will add feathers on your head with roaring success. You will definitely perform miracles. At last but not the least, I owe you all a debt of mountainous thanks for listening me carefully. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you.